February 23rd, 1940.
Nutritional advancement.
Possibilities begin with a vision. For the Institute of Animal Science, that vision began over a century ago. A vision that has inspired excellence in instruction, research, and public service for the animal industry, contributing to national development. Founded in 1909 as the Department of Animal Husbandry, at the University of the Philippines College of Agriculture, it was renamed the Department of Animal Science in 1972. In 1982, it became the Institute of Animal Science under Executive Order No. 840, signed by President Ferdinand Marcos. Today, the Institute of Animal Science at the College of Agriculture and Food Science is dedicated to nurturing future leaders in instruction, research, agripreneurship, and public service. We offer specialized programs to prepare students for diverse careers in animal science. Undergraduates can pursue a Bachelor of Science in Agriculture with a major in animal science, specializing in animal breeding, animal nutrition, animal physiology, animal production, dairy technology, and meat science. We also offer a Bachelor of Science in Agricultural Biotechnology with a major in Animal Biotechnology, focusing on molecular biology techniques to enhance livestock productivity and health. Our graduate programs, including the Master of Science and Doctor of Philosophy in Animal Science, provide advanced study in animal breeding, animal nutrition, animal physiology, and animal production. The Professional Master in Animal Nutrition equips professionals with expertise in animal nutrition and entrepreneurial skills for the feed industry. Animal science offers diverse career opportunities, from animal production and management to agribusiness and animal products processing. Our globally competitive educators prioritize student success, preparing them for impactful careers in the animal industry. We lead in innovation and research to address industry challenges and provide effective solutions. Our commitment extends to public service, supporting the government, the private sector, and livestock and poultry farmers. At the Institute of Animal Science, we shape future leaders with in-depth knowledge, practical skills, and resilience. Join us in this transformative journey. Your future in animal science, rich with countless possibilities, starts here.